G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we're going to be talking about the 3 different types of oil seals available from Minisport. Now, you're probably wondering, why are there 2 types when you just said there's 3? There are 2 different orange types and there is 1 black type. So these seals are in particular the rear main or primary gear oil seal. So let's just chat about the black one to begin with. The black one is an upgraded type seal from the original standard type seal. This was introduced in 1991 and will pretty much do any and all application that you want it to do other than racing. If you're doing a racing application, so you're doing competition, drag racing, circuit work, whatever it may be, the orange type is the one that you want. So the one listed beside me right here is the one that you want. It is distinguished by its 4 dots. Each of the dots are at different points of the clock, so 12, 3, 6 and 9 all the way around, and this will do a vehicle that is doing high revs and high temperature. So if you're after something that is a little bit more upgraded and just the added benefit of knowing that it's likely to not leak, this is the one for you. Alternatively, you could do the one beside me right here, and this one is distinguished with more dots around the outside of the clock face, I guess you'd call it. So this is just a standard replacement type genuine seal. So this one was introduced in 1992. So depending on the application that you're doing, generally a lot of the time you can go with a black one. Alternatively, like in Grace behind me here, I run the competition type seal. Not that I do a lot of high revs and high temperature. She definitely doesn't see that sort of track work, but just in case you wanted to ensure the longevity of the seal, this is the one that I'd probably go with. Alternatively, you can choose any of the 3 available. So depending on the application, those are the 3 different options that you have. Now, in each of the engine reseal or rebuild kits, they generally come with a black one. If not, you can likely request to get an orange one put in there, depending what you're going to do with the car. But as I said, for the extra couple of dollars, you might as well do this. So I hope you guys learned something, and make sure you check out the full range at minisport.com.au, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.